Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to find a solution about Google Drive, you should just go to Settings. After that we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Google Drive app, as you see. Then we click on Force Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to Storage. After that we click Clear Cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your